When trying propaganda NDC for especially Sammy Jenfini John Jenapo. Eyetia Dr. Bawumia for 3 solid years. Kontompo nsɛm nsɛm a yɛnim a wɔn kato na so digbu na nim ase sei ne den twɛn na boso for 3 solid years about multi-purpose that my yeye wɔ Pwalugu ɛno apɛ within 1 minute Nyankopɔn e dey expose NDC for or dey go manim ase wa NDC for ho ntoma ma wiase nyina hu nsɛm NDC for nye ni papa NDC for trimu osuma NDC for yɛ widifo NDC ni betimi akum osun
I was a woman about the bag Ghana and CMTV. So, Bawumia so like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notification. Then next time, videos of this channel also submit to my camera. Say, on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to from Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Padaroma. Now, Bawumia so like video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance, you would want to contribute to our studio works, being it sound, internet, lights, everything. But you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound. So. Now,
when trying propaganda NDC for especially Sammy Jenfini John Jenapo. Eyetia Dr. Bawumia for 3 solid years. Kontompo nsɛm nsɛm a yɛnim a wɔn kato na so digbu na nim ase sei ne den twɛn na boso for 3 solid years about multi-purpose that my yeye wɔ Pwalugu ɛno apɛ within 1 minute Nyankopɔn e dey expose NDC for or dey go manim ase wa NDC for ho ntoma ma wiase nyina hu nsɛm NDC for nye ni papa NDC for trimu osuma NDC for yɛ widifo NDC ni betimi akum osunsum akum kra akum nipadua NDC ni betimi akyekere asem ato so a Oyiwa no bia enye ye da. That is what they did to Dr. Bawumia, but eno apɛ Nyankopɔn yɛ omoso ahanhan eno a John Jenapo Energy Minister call Parliament Assurance Committee anim. And honorable editing bisa na say mu opposition na mo say Dr. Bawumia ne MPP for abo Pwalugu multi-purpose dam project ni mu kro no. Ene mu aba mu hwehwe mu akwa akosisen. Mu evidence we hen. John Jenapo ba bibie na no a. Oso obi a mbokro no. Contractor ne ye adwuma na so MPP for antam sika bia ama no. Many video na kire ba before then. Tiem kwasi asem asame Jenfi omo opposition or kato Dr. Bawumia so that stupid boy that thief asame Jenfi from for na NDC former appointment within 2 months no wasesa be 180 million Ghana cedis akugu ni CD account mu no asesa dollars millions of dollars akugu ni dollar account mu na opese will change account name no call ni PAD that stupid guy, that corrupt guy, that corrupt no Sammy Jenfi corrupt no muntie nkwasi asem a wo ka eto Dr. Bawumia so ensem a enim krono a wo de to Dr. Bawumia so ebra na mo opposition wo bra na wo ni evidence bia muntie no mu wi amon
today for the benefit of tomorrow is being wasted, is being stolen by a few select people in office. And that is the story, the sad story of the Pwalugu Dam. It shows how dishonest, hypocritical, duplicitous Alhaji Bawumia is.
Ono Sammy Jenfi, as a Dr. Bawumia, a for all kinds of questions we no need evidence be but okay. Now, Yentie John Jenapo, concession will make you assurance committee in anywhere about this same project, this same issue.
The Pwalugu dam contractor was paid $11.9 million. Have you, it may not directly have fallen under your ministry in the previous government, but because of the electricity generation component, I believe you have an interest, and so you will have followed it. Have you done audit to see whether the contractor was paid for work done, or that you believe that he bolted away, as you put it?
So far, our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done.
So this brief statement, John Jenapo make here, I kill two fundamental propaganda. NDC for no more yet Dr. Bawumia, any MPP, a brand no more opposition. Near the kind. NDC for no more say, Pwalugu multi-purpose dam, a Jumabia and Koso. Na ne did na MPP for ye did na Dr. Bawumia ye project no na is still only on paper na akọ ground so na adwuma bia nkoso contractor na anya adwuma bia ne etoso mienu na omo se contractor na anya hwe na so MPP for ya sese sika twitwiri de edi ama no ye ne na konaive abọ Ghana kro no ndi omo be ti Dr. Bawumia omo be ti MPP for agu But then I would see John Jenapa. Lady kind was say Ejuma Kosopa, there was work done, contractor ni ye Juma. Near Tosu, you know, as a contractor and Juma or ye in actually MPP cry man or one dimpo. MPP a man is Ikebia. And this I am true no mucha say Pwalugu dam no. Ejuma bi ankoso wo honom contractor na anya ejuma bi aneso ya tam sika twiri di ama no ene John Jenapa nankasa ba be expose yo mo hey NDC me hwe how Dr. Bawumia na ni ku project we hu na oye say ebetimi aboa the people up north, the northern part of Ghana, to invest a lot of time ni energy cracking his brain epe omo betimi afund the project na omo hye now along the line COVID by there was a global economic crisis in the affected one more funding projects now if you are more to now we share how Dr. Bawumia committee a lot of energy trying to secure other funding to make sure the project never cost. Now NDC if we end na touchline a propaganda a chant talk cancer dinner tamo china boso bono chrono chese as if you move and then omenya power ye bi so ma now no omo kan okore ameja mfi onu juma e dey ba bi di no chrono no obo good board no he may think say he's gone scot free but certain things are enyamba abonte but I can assure him say very soon he will run very soon Sameja mfi he will run with his tail behind in between his legs.
But for a second here, I like the way I
competition.
Now I don't know. About telcos no more.
I don't know why the telcos cannot do that.
Telcos no, it been him.
Why? Mama Ora Sam George in TSC say you can asema obi antan
there
eh e juma you believe he says Sam George can do for us.
I will believe you.
I don't think you can ask. And I mean believe he say.
I don't know believe.
He's my minister. In charge of communication. I expect him to deliver a certain service.
Okay, who expects it and you will believe it?
I
believe you're different.
The expectations are there, and I believe, sir, our capacity to do it,
sir,
to ensure that certain things will be done right.
Maybe believe
until 2 weeks in Nipa, I mean, we don't have leadership in this country.
Sunday near Kasana corner, Kati.
Debia. And it's not like, oh, you call on a particular network and
across
all the networks that in this country.
Baby,
all of them. And in this thing, you are expecting a minister who is in charge of that sector.
Meanwhile, my point is that, Kwame, any single call will be placed. Me fafun sisi ana me frɛ wa na me frɛ fo ana me frɛ ntibia na me frɛ Dr. Prekesa. Even if it's 1 second, me type me sika.
Yet
call na me person me yen hello kra me ntimi nka. Na omo ti sika just like that. Right? So for to be na aba obaby, the telcos are not communicating to us.
They're not telling us anything. And
NCA enkahe.
In some way.
Ministry so enkahe.
In some way.
NCA are they immune to questioning?
Because I said they don't.
Nobody is questioning NCA on anything.
I feel saying can we get some George Bar TV3 key point. At least Kobe use the opportunity to address that. Because Saturday, we'll back key point. Non networks, no way caller, the clarity is not there.
Now, aside that, got data boy, I said data boy as Akosro. As Akosro.
And to be in Kanjan is a minister. What you call in this country? You cannot stand on the phone with somebody for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Wabra wunya breakages, unnecessary noise. Very, very unpleasant.
So I have come to realize that NDC as a party, naturally, organically, originally, more attracting kwasiafo. Sebi omo muntimi use o mad, omo low IQ. And party so deliberately take it time and make it conscious effort recruit too. Sebi omo Jimmy, omo ba social media, metimi akan kwasiasem. No more train you, omo you are no more to omo social media say omo be di atem no omo kan sem fun. Emfa ansem ankrofo posti about NDC party na NDC aban na enko yi emo. Because now me video bi na me chirichi mu how NDC aban in 1 year pay. About $11.39 billion. Ye nimu ni omo de aye. na message obenya abotre na wako video no na wa hwe comment section hono na NDC for no mo be comment ye no omo kae ebi se NDC mo obesia da ebi kra say menchire bank ko a NDC aban ne bo obesia ebi nso timi ka say the entire 2025 no NDC aban na amfa any loan agreement and call parliament for approval nti omo bo obesia da che say ignorant comment that say bi yense bi anim comment akoda onim hwe kra make it say Jimisa. But you see, we free education. I'm a baby mom. This is the last time I will do this. Into Munti and Munti. Most NDC more beside that since I'm mobile. But a few weeks ago, I told force the finance minister can say under this useless NDC government, so mobile to me government workers crack. I just saw my quack about Bessia. Now in 1 year, we bought Bessia 1.17 billion Ghana cedis. That's it, like paying of government workers' salary. 17 billion Ghana cedis converted by US dollars. We are talking about somewhere 1.7 billion US dollars. But that is not even the point. The Bible tell how NDC are buying about 11.9 billion US dollars a car. Check. Akufo-Addo efri abem. Akufo-Addo efri abem. Now your debt stock and number 48 billion US dollars. And I mean, no one can say your debt stock a free aqua could do 61.3 billion or so US dollars. Yeah, ended 2025 December. December 2025 December.
Look at the kind of water. Mensasa banana no more. Look at the kind of water. Castle Hereford nana no more. Look at the kind of water. Domu and nana no more. In 21st century. 21st century. Fire mamua ye buya. Yenuanomo northness abba deep positions of power. More. Ironically, when you give them power, instead of them to use it to help their people, omodi yake someone cry. Bekai. Wa bufu mabunfu many anom notness enya to me see am mu to me say wo di speaker of parliament you so wo di president you uchemu yie pa no a wo munya positions of power ya mu akwanya so wo nko krom no nko develop a no mu di si dan kase rema kase nkran enso me ne wo mienu kase yi ensuo amanfo no nomo ensuo amanfo no enom no ensuo amanfo no nomo ne omone na ntwe na enom
and now Sika involved in this scandal 11 million choppable Ghana cedis. Ghana for taxes on my teacher Momo some money tuama. This useless NDC government a 11 million Ghana cedis na kwa kudin krofu butum na asefem. Na kwanya Sika efa suko din krofu butum through the usual chronism, conflict of interest. Any the famous create loot and share a characteristic of this useless NDC government. Omo de be omo ba ben man, omo be create normal loot, normal share. Omo de ni omo ya ni se won change the oman sika. Omo tana dem no ma cookie niama, no match oman Ghana sika dim. So basically, sa kwan na the old ways and omo use ya 11 million Ghana cedis. Akwa kudin krofo bobotom na characters are involved a oma bo Ghana for krono we oma di Ghana for dream we Sami Jenfi oye gold board CEO ana ni otosu mienu Stan Logbe currently oye deputy chief of staff onu anso na owner of Wezo Group Company sa Wezo Group Company no omo na Wezo TV omo dia. Na we omo use omo subsidiary bi a no Koreka Ghana Limited and omo di Ghana for dream we na yen hye na se mame nko nsem no into details na etiase baby a every any baby akwa akoduro na kai se me say epanya asa dream yi efa so by a conflict of interest and a create loot and share and a chronism. Now mobeka ya na do dan Akufo-Addo aban esi a very big edifice Edema Bank of Ghana. So I dine for na won cry. Am cry na ham. It is somewhere 2024 and a Bank of Ghana for free on old building and course a new building. Now NDC bar power how more appointed Sami Jenfi as good board CEO no. And as Sami Jenfi yes almost be free on old building Ako Bank of Ghana on old building na free muno. Now, Muntie ni Hana create loot and share in woman. Sa Bank of Ghana office no move free mono. A well structured building integrity intact. Oma fixing yema won't be just bibia ye correct woman. Any company ebitimi aye adwuma wo ma wombre. But Sabi Jemfi said, "Unya 11 million